Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about disadvantages of service dogs? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about disadvantages of service dogs is sdog.danawheels.net. Specifically the page titled Service Dogs. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site smallbusiness.cron.com, especially the page What are the advantages and disadvantages of a service? Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see dogs.loveetono.com. The web page Advantages and disadvantages of crossbreeding dogs. Here's the link.